With the GP7 on the point, the Houseman turn is about halfway through its run from Kingston to Houseman. An Alco FA leads the Reefer Express east through Woolwich Wells. We have been experiencing track cleaning problems which are gradually being resolved, but there still could be problems this session. This train has just set out some trailers on flat cars here in Houseman Yard.
It's not a beginner's like a...
No.
I'm Wayne, by the way.
Oh, hey guys, nice to meet you. I'm filming, but filming slow, eh? Oh.
ACL 109 picks up a caboose.
Might fix that. Might do it on film. Because you have to go out and do a little zigzag, you don't want to do it twice. I don't think even the caboose is flashing, it could be track.
I thought it was just a realistic light flickering.
Yeah. Yeah, so
I can remember as a kid, about 4 or 5, when we used to live up at Mount Torrens, and the Mount Pleasant line used to run across our backyard.
Oh, right.
I can remember one night driving home in the dark and we're following a goods,
Yeah.
and I can distinctly remember seeing the brake van's lights sort of flickering. They must have been kerosene lamps.
Yeah.
This is back in 1948 or 49.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
It's one of my childhood memories, that.
Yeah. Yeah. No wonder you got the train bugged in.
Not, trouble is, most trains used to go, we didn't used to see them very often because they used to mostly go through at night time.
Yeah.
And I think they're mostly RXs going up there, and then we were just at a bit of a bank and a frosty night, we used to get frost down there, and being on rainwater tank,
yeah.
As soon as you clear this, you can roll in.
Just leave the back of the train clear enough to put the things on, so back the train to the somewhere.
Yeah, well, Wayne could come in now, couldn't ACL 109 departs with boxcars loaded with grain from the grain elevator at Houseman. It will pick up more boxcars of grain at Zieglersdorf and Workendam.
Yeah, it should be right.
No, stop, Paul, you've got to set the turn out here.
I set it back. Yeah. So you're going out the other way.
That's all right, I can go down the chain. I could treat you and go back to
There you are.
That's thinking you're going the other way.
Probably a phone call.
Oh yeah. Ipponiti Creek Railroad consolidation number 27 Probably, yeah. on the Ipponiti Creek turn. When I why go to turn right, go before I go down this completely right at the No, I should turn it. ACL 109 is now pulling the empties from Murray Milling at Kingston. It will set out the loaded boxcars at Murray Milling before making a return journey back to Houseman.
Just gonna hold it there for a sec.
At Opie, number 27 sets out 2 empty flat cars at the sawmill.